Hello everyone, this is Shamim and welcome to Simple Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel. Today I'll share how to create a profile backlink for your website, and at the same time you can see here is a profile backlink preset are available, and here is up to 700 website are available. You can create a profile backlink for from every website. So I share this preset for my subscriber. So never forget to subscribe my channel and don't skip the video. Okay, let's go. At first, I am select a website to create a profile backlink. Okay, now I am go this website model.org. At first, you have to create a account. I think already I have a account for this website. So I am just click here and you can see here is profile option are available. Now I am go my profile section and you can see here is edit profile option are available. So I am click here and you can give here your name, your last name, your email address, and you have to give your websites all information properly. Then you can see here is a new picture option available. You can upload here your website logo, and here is additional names option available, interest, and you can see here is optional option. You can see here is phone number option available and mobile phone address. Give here your websites all information here and others field. You can see here is web page section are available. You can give here your website address or URL. Then just click on update profile. This way you can take a profile backlink from this website, and every profile backlink creation system are same. Just use your website's proper information. Now for this profile backlink spreadsheet, just check my description box. Here I am share this spreadsheet. So stay with us. Thanks for watching.